So what is standby mode? We're just gonna do a quick tutorial overview of this new iOS 17 feature, which is actually one of the most popular and best reviewed features. So just you can access in the settings, there is a new standby tab. It's enabled by default. So you don't need specifically go to enable it. It will work automatically as soon as you enable iOS 17. So you can turn it on and turn it off. If you turn it on, there is also always on display setting, which is also enabled by default. When always on is enabled, the display will intelligently turn off when not in use. When attention is detected, iPhone will not sleep the display. So you just can enable that, and then it kind of, I actually like it enabled because then I don't know, then it just doesn't turn off all the time. Always on, if you just disable it, will turn off more often. So yeah, then you also have night mode. Standby presents in a red tint with low ambient lighting and motion to wake. So night mode, what it does is just add this kind of red filter to your photos. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And yeah, so we can just take a look how actually it looks like on the phone. I just checked it out. I occasionally found out that it works. For it to work, you just need to put it, in the landscape mode. It should be connected to power. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool. There are at the moment just like 3 types of informations: widgets, photo frame, or a clock. I especially like the photo frame option. If you have some nice photos, of the mountains, beach, whatever on your photos in Apple Photos, it will automatically go through them. And yeah, you don't need to buy like additional Aura photo frame or some other thing, or it's pretty cool. And then on these newer iPhones, it's pretty nice resolution, and it looks nicely in during the night. And then you can just put it near your bed, and then yeah, it looks pretty cool, like a photo frame. And yeah, also it's your phone. I don't know, like if it's how it impacts your battery. Will it gonna heat up your phone or things like that? So I have no clue about that. So yeah, but give it a try. Super cool feature, which you can definitely try out. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So to enable it, obviously you need to upgrade to iOS 17. You can already upgrade to iOS 17 beta. And then you just need to plug into the charger, and then you need to you need to put your phone into horizontal position, and then you have this really cool horizontal kind of frames. So here I can just swipe it. I can view photos. I can view like different dates. I need to unlock to view photos, but some of the things you can see here, and then you can swipe down or up, and you can see all of these additional standby filters, which is pretty cool, to be honest. Like, so for example, just the clock, you just select different clocks filters. Then yeah, for example, photos, and then you just have this as kind of just photo frame near your bed, for example, and then you can just swipe it down. Oops. So why is that happening? Because actually your phone also reacts to your motion. So you can disable or enable that in the standby. So then I don't know, you just need to go back from your phone if it's using Face ID, and then it just needs to lock up, or you can just lock it up like this. But then, okay, so as you can see, I'm still discovering myself how to use it. But standby is enabled by default. You don't need to additionally enable it. You can just control some settings, like night options, either whether you want it to react on motion or not. Also during the night, it has this additional cool red filter, so you can explore that. So yeah,